Hi, my name is Ricken, and I'm 25 years old. I was suffering from rectal prolapse since past 6, 7 years. I got my first surgery earlier this year in the US, and it didn't go well. I had a reoccurrence of rectal prolapse. I came across Healing Hands through YouTube, and I actually got operated by Dr. Porwal on 14th of September. And today it's 3 weeks post-op visit. He told me that I'm 100% cured. I'm personally very satisfied with the treatment that I got. I'm very satisfied with the surgical approach that he did. Earlier, I got an abdominal surgery which failed. This was a perineal approach, much more reliable. I didn't have a lot of pain. I had so many questions that got answered. I'm really happy and satisfied with, the treatment, the recovery, um, the special attention that I got, not only from just the team, but every person that actually came to meet me in the hospital. So all I can give is 5 stars to the team, to the doctor, and everybody that helped me in my recovery. Thank you so much.